In this video, I would like to describe all measurement types which can be measured and saved with the Vibrio-M, and the difference between root and off-root measurements. The root measurement means that you first create the root tree structure, including data cells, in DDS, transfer the root to the Vibrio-M, then you take the measurement and you store the data. This has been described in the first DDS tutorial, how to create a root tree. The second option is off-root measurement. In other words, storing the measured values directly in the Vibrio-M device without previously creating a root tree. All Vibrio-M measurement screens can be stored. Actually, you store even more data than you can see on the screen. Let's take a look at the first Vibrio-M screen. We can see velocity RMS in millimeters per second or inches per second in the 10 to 1000 Hz range, and acceleration in G in the 500 Hz to 16 kHz range. Press the middle button and you can see the Save option. Press Save and you've accessed off-root memory. You need to select the ID number. To find your measurement later in DDS, you have to remember which ID number you save it under. There are 255 ID positions for off-root memory available. Let's select ID 1 and press OK. The following measurements will be stored in off-root memory under ID 1. Velocity RMS 10 to 1000 Hz in millimeters per second or inches per second. Velocity zero peak 10 to 1000 Hz, millimeters per second or inches per second. Acceleration RMS 500 Hz to 16 kHz in G. Acceleration zero peak 500 Hz to 16 kHz in G. Speed, if it has been automatically detected or manually entered. Other Vibrio-M screens can be saved in the same way. See the Vibrio-M manual for more information about what will be saved under individual screens. Now let's transfer the data into the DDS software. Connect the Vibrio-M with your PC, go to the Root tab and press the Vibrio-M icon. Press Receive on the Vibrio-M window. Select the off-root measurement which is shown as Analyzer in the Vibrio-M window. On the left side you can find the point ID under which you saved your data. As you can see, the Store button is not available this time, as it was when transferring the root measurement. The explanation is simple. We've measured off-root data, so the DDS software doesn't know where to place or store this data. To store the data, use the drag and drop function. Take the measurement with the mouse and place it on any part of the tree where you want to store this off-root data. I place it under bearing 1. Now I can see all the readings which have been stored under the first Vibrio-M screen. Speed, velocity RMS, velocity peak, acceleration RMS, and acceleration peak. You can also drag and drop individual measurements or data cells if you wish. Expand the point 1 item by double-clicking on it, and you can see the individual measurements which are stored under this point. Place the required measurement under any tree item you wish. You can also place the measured data cell into a data cell created in the DDS tree. It works, of course, only for data cells of the same type. Let's have a look. I'm taking the velocity RMS data cell. If I try to place it into a different data cell, you can see that this operation is not allowed. But once I place it into a data cell of the same type, I can see the plus symbol, and I can store this measurement here. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you for watching.